Okay, I just got home. I needed to deliver some stuff this morning, and then I was just working a little bit in this stand. But today's just kind of a day of catching up, and I have some kind of unfun things to do, but I don't know what to tell you guys. So I need to go grocery shopping. I need to do some laundry. And then I need to work on schedules and just some chores to do today. But right now, I just got home and I'm starving, so I need to make something really good for breakfast. I don't know exactly what, but I'm going to make that, and then I think I'm going to sit outside. Trying to find a post for the sign.